Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. So I'm starting a new series for the new year. I really want to get back to basics and teach someone that has never crocheted before how to crochet. So this series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the very basics. So start with, if you haven't crocheted the first time and you just don't know what to do or where to get started, what kind of hook to pick out, what kind of yarn to pick out. And I really think this came from me at Michael's, actually, around the holiday season here. Some people are wanting to get presents for their loved ones, and what the loved ones wanted to do was they wanted to learn how to crochet. And I had one woman picking up like a hook that was like that, like literally this big around, like it was this huge hook with this huge yarn, and all I could think of was, oh my gosh, this may be setting this person up for failure, because it's really hard to learn when you're learning with something that large, especially if you want to do it for long term or you want to really learn how to crochet. That, and you know, there was a man looking for stuff for his daughter, and he didn't have a clue where to start or what to do, and he really wanted to buy her presents. So I've met a whole lot of people that are really interested in starting crochet. They just don't know where to start. So this video series, my goal here is to tell you where to start. And I'm going to slow down I have a bunch of videos on basic stitches, but I really want to zoom in, slow down on how to do those. When I first started my YouTube journey, wow, the camera did something crazy. So when I first started my YouTube journey, my camera setup wasn't as good as what it is right now, and I couldn't get as close as I wanted on videos, and couldn't really zoom in, and my software wasn't as good as what I wanted it to be. So I'm going to really be doing some basic videos, and there goes my dog. I'm really going to be doing some basic videos, just very beginning videos, just how do you chain stitch, and really the fact that you need to get used to chain stitching and you need to get used to tension, and then how to do the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochets. Those are essential stitches that pretty much everyone's going to need to know to start your crochet journey. So really how to get your mind and hands and everything wrapped around all of that so you can do it effectively. And yeah, that's my plan for this new year. I hope you guys enjoy this series, and if you learned something, please share with your loved ones. Every time I get a comment, every time I get new viewers, new subscribers, I literally celebrate every time. I'm just so happy that I'm able to teach some of you guys how to crochet, and some of my patterns that who knows where they come from most of the time. Usually most of my patterns come from what me and my daughter decide we want to do for our Halloween costumes. So, and then what I want to make my family members for holidays, or my best friend says, hey, you should crochet me this, or that's what a lot of this comes from. Or when I'm at like a market and someone says, oh, do you have, like I have one that has a flower series that's hair class, so someone has asked me at markets, do you have a sunflower hair class? So I'm like, oh yeah, I can totally do that. So some of that kinds of stuff is really what I enjoy doing. But anyway, once you get the basic terms down, then you can fairly easily do some of these patterns. And that's really what my goal is to teach you. And I will teach you basically how to read patterns first. But really what you need to do before you read a pattern is you need to learn the basic stitches. So that's one of my primary goals. Anyway, thanks guys. I hope you all have a happy new year, and I will be releasing these videos. I haven't decided yet if it's one at a time or if it's going to be like one a week. Yeah, I haven't, probably maybe more than once a week, because that seems like a long time to go to practice like a chain stitch. But anyway, stay tuned and look for my new video series, and happy hooking, everyone.